Yeah, there's some crazy stuff in here.
Oh, look at that line. If you scroll up a little bit, I think it was like line
Oh,
40. Yeah, line 48. That's the perfect example of like you could condense that whole Boolean into just leaving the double square brackets. Take out the whole if statement. Like you don't need the
that's
if, the
true.
else, the return. Just say, bracket bracket computed hash only equals expected hash and just put that at the end of the line and you'll have the implicit return of that. Yeah, just a real simple way to clean up that Boolean logic there.
It's just like Rust.
It's just like Rust, yeah. Except in Bash, you could put a semicolon on the last line and it would still return it.
Yeah. Well,
Yeah. Rust will yell at you. Well, actually, no, Rust
this
won't yell at you. It'll just return a unit type.
this concerns me because it makes me think at some point in this project we were storing plain text passwords.
Yeah.
I don't. Is
Oh,
this
yeah.
used? No, this is not used. This is legacy code.
Okay.
Um.
Yeah, that's a message to anyone out there who runs this alt system. Again, don't listen to me, but if you're storing users' passwords as plain text and then you want to migrate them to some hash and salted solution, force them to change their password. Don't just hash the plain text that you already have.
True. I also thought this was interesting. I saw this in a couple places where
Oh.
whenever we need to generate random strings, we try OpenSSL, and if that fails, we silently fall back to XXD from wrandom. And if
Oh,
that
boy.
fails, for some reason, we SHA-256 the date.
Oh yeah, that's not good. You gotta use the highest standard possible and then just throw an error at this point. Also, we
I
do
do
have
wonder what scenario this one's failing. Like,
yeah. Like your system should have dev u random, maybe sed flags not being consistent, but the prereq in this person's readme says to use it on Linux, so I feel like the GNU sed will support this.
hmm.
Yeah, this is wild. Yeah, you could just reach for srandom, the all capital srandom variable in Bash. It's built in. It will use the arc4random or dev u random under the hood, I think. You don't need to seed it. Super nice.